What's up guys, this is Dan from RGB here. So today I want to show you the brand new super strong rugged thin smartphone, Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. This phone comes with a lot of incredible cool features. And these are the main key features. So let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this smartphone stand out. Alright guys, here we got some contents in box and the phone package. Let's peel off the cover. There we go guys, oh my god, it looks super solid, which I don't feel any bulky on hands. Okay, let's peel off front sticker. Also, on box we got 33-watt power adapter, data cable, lanyard, user manuals cards and stuff. Comes with screen protector and SIM needle. It also comes with dedicated SIM card slot. Means you can use dual 5G cards and SD card support up to 2 TB of memory. Okay, now let's turn on the device. There we go guys, it's booted. This phone comes with the latest clean stock Android 14, with a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a massive 6500 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging and 30-watt wireless too. Design-wise, it has strong rugged build with metallic frame and classic Kelvar structure. Weights up to 326 grams. Also, can survive with splash water, dust with IP68 resistance. On back we got dual camera, one with 50 megapixels main and 64 megapixels night vision with dual flash, and also integrated thermal imaging sensor. On front we got 32 megapixel selfie camera. On side we got volume keys and power key with fingerprint sensor. This phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, with 6 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. On bottom we have speaker, Type-C port and microphone. On top we have thermal jack, IR blaster, and on other side we have SIM card slot and custom key. Alright guys, now let's explore some of the top features of the Armor 25T Pro. The 25T Pro comes with ThermoVue thermal imaging sensor, an industry-leading thermal sensor with high resolution up to 160 of 120 pixels, which is actually insane. Also, this sensor pushes up to 25 Hz with good amount of sensitivity to less than 50 millikelvins. It can take shots up to 1,000 meters distance. Also measures temperature up to 550 degrees with good accuracy. You can use this with ThermoVue app. It has a lot of thermal features which you can take shots and record hot stuff. Here are the sample shots. It also comes with night vision 64 megapixel OmniVision IR sensor, which you can clearly capture night shots with more details. Capture videos in low light without missing any details, as you can see here. These are the sample shots. This phone has Dimensity 6300, which is actually pretty good for day-to-day tasks, and okay gaming. If you want, you can also try this Armor case for extra protection. Make a note that this case sold separately. It comes with fast 30-watt wireless charging. If you're looking for best budget, all-rounder rugged smartphone, then you need to check out this phone. Links in description. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.